Hello, I'm Kelsey Watkins, and my topic for this week is religion in Pakistan, and my presentation is on women's dress. Women's dress can be a controversial topic, but more so, it's a sign of faith. So for this presentation, I want to talk about the burqa, the hijab, and the chador and leggings. The burqa covers the entire body, and it's actually unclear whether women are forced to wear a burqa or if they choose to, but there have been cases of husbands abusing or pressuring women to wear the burqa. In fact, 14 nations have banned the burqa, and but it's usually blue, white, brown, or green. It just depends on the region. And the Quran actually doesn't specifically say how much a woman needs to cover. The quote, to quote the Quran, it says, "And say to the believing women that they should lower their gaze and guard their modesty, that they should not display their beauty and ornaments except what must ordinarily appear thereof, that they should draw their veils over their bosoms and not display their beauty except to their husbands, their fathers," and it goes on to explain more that they can unveil themselves in front of. Next is the hijab. The hijab is just a general term meaning to cover or to veil. And as you can see in these pictures, it's a headscarf that just covers the hair and the neck, but not the face or the rest of the body. Oftentimes it's worn with a long black dress, but the hijab is worn in the presence of any male outside of the family. The chador and leggings. So a chador is a full-length cloak, only the face is shown, and it's worn in public or holy places. And it can be pinned or tied, but oftentimes the woman is just holding it in place like a shawl. And leggings are loose pants, usually worn over traditional dress. And those seem to be more casual, but still religious. As you can see from this presentation, we have modesty in common with the Muslim religion. In the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, we try to dress modestly and cover our garments, and it's interesting to see how modesty can be interpreted through other religions, and I think it's really a neat thing to study and to learn about. So, yeah.